Hello Gemini, this is your quick reading. So if you're new, please do follow, please do subscribe, like, and share this. And kung natagpa mo to, possible para sa'yo to. So your oracle card is number 17, Ghostland. Gemini, it's time naman na medyo you get out of your comfort zone. And tinatawag ka na magsalita, tinatawag ka ng mag-confront. Do it na. Remember, you're the house of communication. Pero be sure din naman, once you do the confrontation, once you do the correcting, use the proper words. Yung hindi ka naman pwedeng balikan. Always be mindful and be still respectful. Because at the end of the day, we don't burn bridges. We try to fix them and salvage yung mga bridge and connections that can help us to go through in our lives. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. And those are for guidance purposes. I'll see you again. Don't forget to subscribe.